This short guide shows how to buy shares of FreightCar America Inc. FreightCar America manufactures freight railcars and related components, and it trades on the NASDAQ under the ticker RAIL. This walkthrough is educational only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and we will use eToro as an example to illustrate the steps. After registering, you will be asked to verify your identity, usually by uploading an ID, and you must add funds to your account before purchasing. Use the platform's search box and enter the ticker RAIL to find FreightCar America Inc. Make sure you select the NASDAQ listing that matches the company name to open the correct asset page. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart to review recent movement. Confirm the company name and the NASDAQ ticker RAIL to ensure this is the right stock before proceeding. Tap the Investor Buy button, enter the amount you want to allocate, then carefully review the order details and confirm to place the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or executed at market open, depending on order type, and if you do not have sufficient funds, eToro will prompt you to add them before final confirmation. Once the trade is executed, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. If you want to follow this exact example, find the eToro link in the description below.